We welcome you in Pakistan, and to tell you a little about the preferences of our government and our Prime Minister, health sector comes on number one. We have introduced for the first time in Pakistan the health cards. And these health cards will be providing health insurance to a family for about 750,000 rupees per year. And these people, we have classified them as $1, which is a very sad state of affair. I used to think that this $1 is just the name of a category, but when they gave me a presentation, they explained me that this family of 5 lives under $1 a day of income even today. They have never seen medicines, they've never seen hospital, they've never seen dispensaries, they've never gone to purchase the medical equipment. Forget about the tests that you're introducing. This is not their part of life. So this is the first time a big chunk in Pakistan will have the affordability to go to clinics, to go to hospital, to purchase medicines, to take care of their loved ones, and to go for medical tests like you're suggesting here.